மற்றவங்களுக்கு நம்ம தர பெரிய கிஃப்ட் உடல் ஆரோக்கியம் தான். நீங்கள் உடல் ஆரோக்கியம் மன சாந்தியோடு இருக்க ஆன்லைன் யோகா கிளாஸ் சேருங்க. உலக டாக்டர்கள் கொரோனாவிலிருந்து தப்பிக்க யோகா சித்தாவையே பரிந்துரைக்கிறாங்க.
Asanas, asana pranayama. Today our practice and back pain. Now that time many back pain, many person in back pain. And today our practice therapy yoga. Therapy yoga main important your back pain asanas and general yoga. Both are therapy yoga in back pain. Back pain relief asanas, pranayamas, mudras and kriyas also our practice. Today your back pain asanas. Okay, back pain and general health both today our practice. Okay, now practice in standing asana. Okay, all of you stand up. First warm up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next both hands just there. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe out. 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 Okay. Next asana, Tadasana. This Tadasana very important. Your back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain relief and height increase. Tadasana. First, join your both leg. Join your both leg. First pose. Second pose. Raise your both hand. Catch your both hand. Both hand ear touch. Next, third pose. Your both hand upper. Your plum is upper near. And next, rise your heels. Straight. Rise your heels. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Asanas name Tadasana. This back pain very very important. This asana. Okay. One more repeat. Raise your both hand. Raise your heels. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1. Both hand ear touch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Next asana, Trikonasana. This asana in back pain and strength power. Trikonasana. Your both leg 3 feet cap. This one first pose. Second pose. Raise your both hand in shoulder near. Next, third pose. Bending forward right side. Okay. Now first your right side foot in turn right side. Okay. Bending forward right side. Straight your back. Your right hand near your left hand. See upper. 5 counts. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. Normal breath. 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Next, left side bending forward. You turn your foot in left side. The left leg foot turn left side. Bending forward left side. Your right left hand near your right hand. See your right hand. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Relax. This asana's name Trikonasana. Next asana, Konasana. This asana very important back pain, neck pain. 2 feet your both leg, 2 feet cap. This one first pose. Second pose, your both hand catch, both hand ear touch, straight your body. Next, third pose, bending forward right side. Hold a normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Straight, 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Bending forward left side. 5 counts. 1. Hold normal breath. 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Relax. This asana's name Konasana. Okay. Next asana, Pirai asana. This asana very important. Your back pain relief. Pirai asana. First, your both leg 2 feet cap. Your both leg 2 feet cap. First pose. Second pose, catch your kip. Second pose. Third pose, bending backward. Inhale, breathe. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Okay. Relax. For both nostril, 2 times inhale, breathe and exhale, breathe out. Last asana, this asana, Pirai asana, backward in Pirai asana. Next asana, Pada Hastasana. Joint over both legs. First pose. Second pose. Raise your both hands. Next, third pose. Bending forward, exhale, breathe. Hold head down. Straight to your knees. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your both hands. Inhale, breathe. Relax. This asana's name Pada Hastasana. Your daily your practice 10 count 3 times. Daily your practice in cholesterol relief important. Pada Hastasana. Next asana, Virasana. This Virasana is a strength power. Okay, this shoulder. This one Virasana's pose is a shoulder pose. Okay, Ranuva Veerargal, Padai Veerargal pose. Okay, now Virasana. First, joint over both legs. Next, second pose, your right leg in backward. Right leg for 2 feet back. Right leg. Second pose. Third pose, your left leg in bending in L4. Left leg. Next, third. Fourth pose, raise your both hand ear touch. Next, fifth pose, bending backward, inhale, breathe. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Slowly relax. Next, left side. Your backward, your left leg, 2 feet back. Next, bending your right leg. Next, raise your both hand, ear touch. Bending backward, inhale, breathe. Hold a normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. This asana's name, Virasana. Very important, our strength power and back pain relief. This asana, Virasana. Next asana, last standing asana, standing asana, and Utkatasana, chair pose. Your both leg, 1 feet cap. This one first pose. Second pose, your both hand, your chest near, straight your both hand. Second pose. Third pose, of sitting pose. Your straight your back. Hold a normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Up, inhale, breathe. Relax. For 2 times, inhale, breathe, and exhale, breathe out. Your both nostril. Okay, one more, repeat. Utkatasana. Your both leg, one beat, first pose. Second pose, your both hand just there. Third pose, off sitting pose. Down, exhale, breathe. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Okay, relax. For 2 times, inhale and exhale your both nostril. Okay, relax. For sitting pose, sitting asanas. रिलैक्स और बोथ लेग आराम कीजिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट आसना पाद कोणासना, बटरफ्लाई पोज. दिस पाद कोणासना. Join your foot, straight your back, and catch your leg fingers, straight your back. In butterfly pose, in playing for 10 times. 1, straight your back, normal breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Relax और both. आराम कीजिए. Next asana, sitting pose, Padmasana, Sukhasana, or Apadmasana, or Padmasana. Anyone comfortable sitting pose. Okay? Ready? Okay. Any your comfortable sitting pose. Next asana, Padmasana pose. Raise your both hand. Or Padmasana. Your raise your both hand. Your both hand in Namaskar pose, in welcome pose. Close your eyes. Relax in meditation pose. This asana your practice only for back pain relief important, and relax your mind. I counting in 10 count. Normal breath. 1. Close your eyes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Relax your both leg. Slowly relax. Okay. Next one, pranayama. Very important in Anulom Viloma pranayama. This Tamil Nadi Sutti pranayama. Your body 72,000 nervous in blood circulation. That pranayama. Anulom Viloma pranayama. And English Surya Peda and Sandira Peda. Okay, now practice in Surya Peda, Sandira Peda. In Padmasana pose, or Apadmasana, or Sukhasana. Anyone comfortable sitting pose. Next, your left hand, Shin Mudra, and your right hand, close the index and middle finger. This one, right hand, Ruhi Mudra, left hand, Shin Mudra. Straight your back, close your right nostril, and breathe. First, start your breath, your left nostril, 3 seconds, inhale, breath. And right nostril, 6 seconds, exhale, slowly breathe out. Next, right nostril, inhale, deep breath, 3 seconds. Close your right nostril, left nostril, 6 seconds, exhale, slowly breathe out. Repeat your 5 times. Left nostril, 3 seconds, inhale, breathe. And right nostril, 6 seconds, exhale, slowly breathe out. Next, right nostril, inhale, breathe. Left nostril, exhale, slowly breathe out. Repeat over 5 times. This pranayama name Anulom Vilomam Pranayama. Tamil in Nadi Suti Pranayama. Very important this pranayama. This pranayama your practice Vada, Pitta, Kapha. And 3 and equal this pranayama. General health important this pranayama. Next, cleaning your inside parts. This pranayama. Anulom Vilomam Pranayama. This pranayama, your practice, your left hand is straight to your left hand, straight to your back, very, very important. This pranayama. Okay. Your 5 times complete. Next, relax your both legs. Okay. Next, sitting pose, Padmasana or Apadmasana or Sukhasana. Anyone comfortable sitting pose. Next, your shoulder pain and neck pain and back pain really important. This first, this your both hand, you touch your shoulder, and next backward or 5 times. Normal breath. Breathe is normal breath. Straight your back. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, opposite clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Next, Konasana. Your sitting pose is Konasanas. Your sitting pose, Konasanas. In back pain, really important. Okay. Raise your both hand. Namaskar. Both hand. In catch. Your both hand catch. Both hand ear touch. Bending forward, right side. Hold a normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Straight, 3 counts. Normal breath. 1, 2, 3. Next, left side bending forward. Exhale breath. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Straight, 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. One more. Repeat. Bending forward, right side. Padma Konasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Straight, 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Next, left side bending forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight, 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Relax. This asana's name Padma Konasana. Okay. Next asana, Padma Pirayasanas. Okay. This Padmasana pose. Padmasanas. Catch your knees. Catch your knees. Next, second pose. Catch your knees. Third pose. Bending backward. Inhale, breathe. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Exhale, breathe out. Repeat one more. Bending backward. Inhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Next, relax for both legs. Slowly relax. Okay. Next, Yoga Mudra. Padmasana pose, half Padmasana or Padmasana or Sukhasana, anyone sitting. Okay. Next, catch your knees. This Padmasana, now practice your Yoga Mudra. Yoga Mudra, first pose, Padmasana, Apadmasana or Sukhasana, any your comfortable pose, first pose. Second pose, catch your knees. Next, third pose, bending forward, exhale, breathe. Head down, hold normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. One more, repeat, bending forward, exhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Okay. Relax. Relax or both legs. Okay. Next one, asanas. Back pain, important asana, Tandasana. Okay. Now practice in Tandasana. First, straight your both legs. This one, first pose. Second pose, your both hand. First pose, second pose, this one. Second pose, third pose, raise your buttocks, straight your back. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, exhale, breathe. Okay. Repeat one more. Raise your buttocks, inhale, breathe, bending your, straight your body, inhale, breathe. Hold a normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, exhale, breathe. Okay. Relax. Relax your both legs. This asana's name, Tandasana. Very, very important. Back pain relief important. Tandasana. Okay. Next asana, Uttana Padasana practice. Now your sleeping pose. Supine position. Relax. I counting your 10 count and relax your body, relax your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next, join your both leg. Close your hands finger, your body touch. This one, join your both leg, first pose, your both hand join, second pose, third pose. Raise your both leg slowly, 90 degree. Hold normal breath. Any or no balance and help. This one your thighs catch. Your thighs near catch. Straight your leg. Your foot in floor touch. Sorry, your buttocks in floor touch. Straight your back. Hold normal breath. 10 counts. 1, 2. Now yourself, your first this your self practice, or know your self practice. You only helping your wall, your leg near your body is L pose. Hold normal breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. This asana's name Ardha Halasana. Very important. These asanas, leg pain, foot pain, knee pain relief and back pain relief important. Ardha Halasana. Okay, relax. Next, prone position. This one, prone position. In Kopura pose, Bhujanga asana, prone position. Okay, first join your both leg. Next, your both hand, your shoulder near. Your both hand, shoulder near. Next, third pose, your chin in floor touch. Okay. Next, raise your chest 45 degree. Raise your chest and your head 45 degree backward. Raise your, bending your back. Okay. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. Up, inhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, exhale, breathe. Your therapy yoga practice very easy. 3 poses. First pose, this one, your both hand in L4. This one first pose. I counting 5 count. Already your Bhujangasana. This one Bhujangasana. And 3 poses your Bhujangasana. First poses. Your both hand in L4. Your chin in floor touch. Okay. Raise your just 45 degree. Your both hand in L4. First pose. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Down. Your chin floor touch. Next, second pose, Bhujangasana. In back pain asanas. Okay, raise your chest 45 degree. In L4, raise your L4. Hold normal breath 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Head down. This one second pose, Bhujangasana. Next, third pose. Raise your chest. Raise your head straight, your both hands straight. Bending your back. Hold normal breath 5 counts. Joint your both legs. This asana's name Bhujangasana. Cobra pose, snake pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck pain and back pain relief important. Okay, relax. Join your both hand and chin touch your both hand. Relax. Relax your both leg. Relax your body. Relax your mind. I counting in 5 count. 1. Relax. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next asanas, Salabhasana. Salabhasana very important. Your back pain relief is Salabhasana. Okay. Now practice in Salabhasana. Okay. Your both hand, your thighs touch. Your both hand. Your thighs inside. Your both hand. In chin in floor touch. Okay. Next, you raise your right leg, left leg. Straight your left leg. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, down. Next, right leg. Raise your right leg. Straight your right leg. Knees in straight. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are helping, your share. When you are share, your therapy yoga, your no self I am practice is helping your share. When you share, this one your balancing your share. Okay, this is like both leg. First your single legs, next your both leg. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Your both hands in there. Touch your both hands. Relax. For 5 counts, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, both leg. Kicking your both leg. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next asana, back pain very important asana in strength power, in height increase. Next asana, Dhanur asana. This bow pose, Dhanur asana. You are bending your back. Okay. First Dhanur asana. First your both leg in L4, prone position. Next catch. Your both hand catch. Your keel snare catch. Your angle, leg angle catch. Okay. Second pose, this one. Next, third pose. Raise your chest, raise your head, 45 degree. Next, fourth pose. Your both leg in back pushing your back. Your both leg don't rise. Your back push back your push. Hold normal breath. Your both hand catch your leg. Your both hand catch your leg and both your knees in push and back. Hold normal breath. This asana's name Dhanur asana. In back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain relief, 5 counts. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. 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 One more repeat. This Dhanurasana. One more repeat Dhanurasana. Very, very important. Your back pain. Okay, your both leg catch. Next, raise your chest 45 degree. Raise your head. Your both leg and push your back. Hold normal breath. Only your stomach, only your floor touch. Stomach only your floor touch. And hold abdomen in floor touch. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Relax. Relax your body. For 5 counts. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sitting pose. Sitting pose. Relax. Sitting pose. Okay. Next asana, Vajrasana, diamond pose. Next asana's name, Vajrasana in diamond pose. Okay. First, straight your both leg. Next, this one starting pose. First pose, bending your left leg. Next, bending your right leg. Straight your back. Hold normal breath. Straight your back. Your both and your knee catch. Close your eyes. And counting in 5 count in meditation pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, Sanmukhi Mudra. This Vajrasana pose. You are sitting your Vajrasana pose. Your comfortable pose. Vajrasana. Any your Vajrasana, your leg pain and important. This one pillow. Your heels inside this pillow. And sitting in the Vajrasana, no leg pain. Your self practice in normal your Vajrasana pose sitting or any your leg pain. This one any your pillow or inside your foot inside. Hold your sitting. This one Vajrasana. No your leg pain. This Vajrasana pose. Okay. Now Vajrasana pose Shanmukhi Mudra. Okay. Your Vajrasana comfortable sitting Vajrasana pose. Next Shanmukhi Mudra. Now practice Shanmukhi Mudra. Your mind relax important in Shanmukhi Mudra. Okay. First your little finger. Next ring finger. Your mouth upper there. And middle finger. Your nose touch. Nose upper touch. And thumb finger. Close your ear. Yes. Close your ears. And index finger. Close your eyes. Hold normal breath. straight your back in meditation pose. I counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Relax. Relax. Normal breath. Relax your both leg. Last, this mudra's name Shanmughi Mudra. Relax your both leg. Next asana, Usatasana. This one, Usatasana. This one, Usatasana is a camel pose. Okay, now practice Usatasana. Your symbol, but Usatasana is a full and pose. Usatasana, this one camel pose. Okay, now your first time your practice no full in Usatasana. Your easy pose after Usatasana full pose. First your easy Usatasana pose, camel pose. Okay, first your Vajrasana pose, kneel down. Okay, next your both hand, your foot near this one, fingers. Next, see second pose. Next third pose, raise your buttocks, head down, hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Down. One more repeat. Bending your back, inhale, breathe. Bending your back, inhale, breathe. Hold normal, head down. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, inhale, breathe. Okay. Relax for both legs. Okay. This back pain important asana. Now try the Usatasana, camel pose. This one now before practice your Usatasana in basic pose. Now advanced Usatasanas. Correct your Usatasanas pose. Correct your camel pose. First kneel down. Your both leg, 1 feet cap, your both knees 1 feet. Your both leg in plant your foot. Okay. Next, catch your keels. This one, catch your heel. Straight your back, bending your back. Head down. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe. Sorry, exhale, breathe. Okay. One more repeat. Bending your back. Inhale, breathe. First, second, third. Inhale, breathe. Head down. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, exhale, breathe. Okay. Relax for both legs. This Usatasana, camel pose. Relax for both legs. Back pain very important asana. This Usatasana. In height increase, this Usatasana. In neck pain, relief important. This Usatasanas. This one thyroid problem relief important. Usatasana. Ottaka pose. Relax for both legs. Next asana, Sasanga asanas. Sasanga asanas. Okay, first your kneel down, Vajrasanas pose. Your Vajrasanas pose. Okay, or kneel down, join your thighs. Okay, next, you raise your both hand, ear touch. Next, bending forward, exhale, breathe. Head down, hold normal breath. 5 counts. Straight your both hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up inhale, breathe. Repeat one more. Sasanga asana. Exhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Up inhale, breathe. Relax for both legs. Relax. This asanas, before asanas name, Shasanga asanas. Next asana, Machasana. This Machasana is Majili pose. This one fish pose. Very important, your back pain relief, Machasana. Okay, now practice in Machasana. The sleeping pose. Joint or both legs. Okay, relax. I 5 count, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ready? Machasana pose. Joint or both leg. Next, your both and your ear near in L4. This one. Okay. Second pose. Third pose. You are bending your head, your neck bending. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Head down. Relax. Repeat one more. Your both and ear near. Okay. You are bending your neck. Inhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, breathe out. Okay. Relax. Sitting pose. Relax. Relax your both leg. This one Machasana. Another your therapy yoga, Machasana. Any your back pain easy method. This one method in Machasana. This one basic pose Machasana. One another helping this pillow. Your Machasana pose. Okay, first your both and straight your both hand. Next your back near this pillow. Next you are bending your back, head down, bending your neck down. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. Joint your both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Up inhale, breathe. One more repeat. Your pillow in back, your buttocks near. Next, your pillow catch, bending your back slowly. Bending your back, head in floor touch, your both and thighs touch. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Raise your head. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe out. Okay. Relax. This one, asanas, Machasana. Easy method. Any your back pain, this pillow use. Back pain relief important. Okay. Next asana, Vagrasana. One back pain, another one asanas. Vagrasana. Very, very important. Back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain relief. Okay. Now practice your Vagrasana. First pose. Joint or both leg. Okay. First pose. Second pose. Your right leg, bending your right leg. Next. Third pose, your right hand, your back near, straight your back. Next, your left hand, your right side, and twisting your right side. Turn your right side. See the shoulder. 5 counts. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Next, left leg. Bending your left leg and your left hand in backward. Your back and right hand. Catch your right knee. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Relax your both legs. Relax your both legs. Relax your both legs. Okay. Next asanas. Next asanas name cat pose. Marjari asana. Marjari asana before one kriyas in Kapalabhati kriya. Okay. We now practice in Kapalabhati in cold problem relief important in Kapalabhati. Normal your sitting pose. Straight your back. Your both hand. Shin mudra. Ready? Next, head down. Next, your both nostril. 1 second breathe, 3 second deep breathe out. Repeat your 5 times. 1 second breathe, 3 second deep breathe out. 1 second slowly breathe, 3 second deep exhale deep breathe out. Your both nostril. Close your mouth. This kriyas in Kapalabhati. Relax. Relax your both legs. Next, cat pose. Cat Marjari asanas. Next, cat pose. Marjari asanas. Kneel down. Your back in straight. Straight your both hand. In both hand, your plum is floor touch. Your knees in floor. Flat your both leg. Straight your back. This starting pose. First pose. Bending your back. Raise your head. Inhale, breathe. Next, second pose. Second, down. Exhale, head down. Exhale, breathe. Raise your stomach. Your chin, your just touch. Next, up, inhale, breathe. Down, exhale, breathe. Repeat your 10 times. Okay. Relax. Relax your both legs. Okay. Next asana, Pavana Mukta asana. Pavana Mukta asana. The sleeping pose. Relax your sleeping pose. In first half Pavana Muttasana, next Pavana Muttasana. First half Pavana Muttasana. You are bending your right leg. Catch your right leg knees near. Catch. Second pose. Third pose. You raise your shoulder 45 degree. Your chin, right leg knee touch. Straight your left leg. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head down. Straight your right leg. Next, bending your left leg. Catch your left leg. Straight your right leg. Raise your head. Your chin, right, left nose, left knees touch. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, head down. Relax. Daily your practice. Repeat 10 counts 3 times. Left leg 3 times, right leg 3 times. Okay, now Pavana Mudasana, your both leg. Catch your both leg. Raise your head. Your both knee touch your chin. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head down. Straight your both legs. One more. Repeat. Both legs. Bending. Catch your knees. Raise your chin, your knee touch. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head down. Relax your both leg. Next, last asana, Shanti asana, Shavasana, sleeping pose. This pose is death pose. Relax your both leg, relax your body, relax your mind. Your both and upper neck. Head down. Close your eyes. I counting in 10 count. In relax your mind, relax your body. Normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, join your both legs. Raise your right hand, your head in back. Move the body aside in right side, turn right side. Straight your knees, straight your body. Close your eyes. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1. Close your eyes. 2. Relax your body. 3. 4. 5. Okay, relax your sitting pose. Your front side, right side. Push your both hand and straight your sitting pose. Relax. Normal sitting pose. Relax your body, relax your mind. Normal comfortable sitting pose. Next, raise your both hand in palming. Head to leg 3 times. Close your eyes. Your plum, your face may open your eye, slowly open. See your plum. Your face light touching. Okay. Thank you.